Morning students, today we are going to see reproductive system of cockroach in male. The cockroach is dioecious. Dioecious means unisexual, having the male and female reproductive organs in separate individual. There is sexual dimorphism. The female can be distinguished from male by short and broad abdomen, presence of brood pouch and absence of anal tail. A male reproductive system, it is made up of the following parts: testes, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, mushroom shaped gland, seminal vesicles, phalomeus and spermatophore. Okay, first testes. There is a pair of testes. There are elongated, this structure testis, elongated organs situated under fourth, sixth segments. 4th to 6th abdomen. There are embedded in the fat bodies. Each testis, the single, consists of number of small follicles or vesicles which produced sperms. Vas deferentia. First one, test. Vas deferentia. This structure. There are external narrow ducts, one arising from the posterior part of each testis. The two vasa deferentia runs backward and inwards to open into ejaculatory duct. This structure, ejaculatory duct, it is the median wide duct into which vasa deferentia carry the sperms. It is present in 7th segment. The mushroom shaped gland, another name, accessory gland. It is also called utricular gland. It is present in the 6th and 7th abdominal segment. It is the male accessory gland. It has two kinds of finger-like structures. First one, long, slender peripheral utricular majors and short tubules, the utricular breviaries. Second one, secretions of utricular majors from the outer layer of spermatospores. Secretions by utricular breviaries nourish the sperms. Both kinds of tubules open into the ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory. Next, seminal vesicles. They are present in the ventral side. Seminal vesicle, this side, ventral, they are present on the ventral surface of ejaculatory duct. The store sperms as spermatophores. Conglobate gland, a large clump shaped, this the Pallic gland. This gland, Pallic gland, is of unknown function. It open near the gonophore. Gonophore, it is the opening of ejaculatory duct. it is the male genital fore and spermatospores are released through it. Phelomeres. There are gonophobes of male cockroach. There are externally genitalia. They are chitinous, asymmetrical and present male gonophore to help in copulation. Spermatophysiology. The follicles of testis produced spermatozoa. These are brought by vasa deferentia into seminal vesicles for storage. Spermatozoa is in each seminal vesicle stick together from a bundle called spermatophore. The spermatophore secretions long tubules, the structure of utricular glands from the inner of wall around the spermatophore, and some raised secretions of small tubules of uteric gland middle layer in deposit on spermatospore by glandular lining of ejaculatory duct. While going down, finally the spermatophore is attracted to the spermatical papilla of the female. Here the secretion of Phallic gland is poured over it and outer layer is formed. A fully formed spermatophore is a pear-shaped capsule about 1.3 mm in diameter with a 3-layered wall. The sperms are stored in the seminal vesicles and are glued together in the form of bundles and spermatophores which are discharged during copulations. The tube inside store the sperm. A pair of spermaticle is present in the 6th segment which opens into the genital chamber. Sperms are transferred through the spermatospores. Thank you, students.